Hi, y'all. Today, we're frying up some crispy, golden calamares. If you've got a craving for something crunchy and satisfying, this is it. Let's jump in, don't blink, it's fast. First things first, grab that squid. We're gonna cut it into rings. Now, don't be scared if they're not perfect, squid doesn't judge. Once we've got those lovely rings, we're dipping them in some flour, egg, pepper, sprinkle of salt. It's like giving them a little coat for that perfect crunch. Next, heat up the oil, and let's get these babies frying. The key is to not overthink it, just toss them in and watch the magic happen. They should turn golden brown in no time. I mean, who doesn't love the sound of sizzling calamares? That's the sound of cravings being answered. While the calamares do their thing, let's talk dipping sauce, the superstar here, super spicy vinegar. The heat cuts through the richness of the fried squid, giving you that satisfying zing. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you later. Now, while we're waiting, let me drop some knowledge. Squid is packed with protein, low in fat, and even contains those good omega-3 fats. So, yeah, it's delicious and good for you, win-win. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more quick, easy, and healthy recipes. And the best part, that moment when you dip the crispy calamares into the spicy vinegar, pure magic. Crunchy, spicy, and totally hits the spot.